He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Lord shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge.
Hi everyone, this is OG CV Coach. I'm doing this video once again this week just to encourage those that need a job or need an interview or have been looking for a job over this period. Well, it's a new year now. This is the year 2020. It's a new year. So you can make the new year resolution and decide to say, well, I'm going to get a job. I'm going to go for that. I'm going to go for this business. But most importantly, believe in it's your vision. Believe in your vision. Believe in yourself. The Bible says something, in the book of Mark. It said, if you can believe, anything is possible to him that believeth. Mark 9:23. If thou can believe, all things are possible to him that believeth. So one of the greatest laws in this universe is for you to believe in yourself. So believe in yourself, believe that you can get that job, believe that you can get into that position, believe that you can get into that role. Nobody's going to believe for you. You are the one that's going to believe for yourself. You see, if you think in positive terms, faith-filled terms, you will achieve positive results. This is the simple fact, which is at the basis of an astonishing law of prosperity and success. In 3 words: believe and succeed. If you believe that you're going to get that job, you will get the job. If you believe that you're going to succeed in life, you will succeed in life. Because it's a principle. You see, and sometimes somebody might have a very good CV, might be very eloquent in the interview, but the job is not forthcoming. And then you start thinking, it's like you become kind of frustrated or getting frustrated. Never get frustrated. Never give up. Never give in. Believe in yourself.